Hello guys, welcome back to another video about IDEX coin guys. Sorry, token. In this video I'm talking about the IDEX token price prediction, price update. What's the price changes occur in the IDEX? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, you're new on my channel, kindly click the subscribe button below and also press the bell icon for a new videos notification. Let's start the video guys. I know the right now situation, the right now price of IDEX is going negative 4.85%, and the latest price is about 0.5172 USD dollar. That is the right now price of IDEX token in the market guys. So guys, you know what, now it is a bad time, but the previous time is also good time. In the previous time the price of IDEX also taken a huge pump. Now it is a false time again. There is again possibilities guys that after 1 week, after 2 days, the price will again jump. So now you can see here, due to negative changes, the price of IDEX is very low. So it is opportunity for all of you to invest in a IDEX. If you have any plan in a cryptocurrencies investment, so IDEX is also good coin for investment guys. Now let me show you the market cap. You can see now everything is going negative because at this time from last 1 week, short-term investor decide to sell. That's why everything are going negative, because people decide to sell. They getting profit from IDEX, but due to the negative changes, the price becomes more and more low. So I think that is opportunity for all of you to invest in an IDEX. You can see from a price chart completely going red. If they red, so that means that they are going in the lows guys. Now the trading volume is going 63%. As I showed you guys that now the people decide to sell, and just in 24 hours short-term investor decide to sell. They getting profit. They are also in a profit. That's why they decide to sell guys. So again, I'm telling you that due to negative changes, the price becomes more and more low. By now it's a low price IDEX coin, absolutely. In the next one the price will again pump and you get profit. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates video.